In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter an opening balance in Zoho Books. This is a key step if you're transferring your financial data from an existing system into Zoho, and doing it right ensures that your books reflect an accurate picture of your business's financial health. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Go ahead and type Zoho into the search bar. When the results appear, look for the link that either appears first or shows a URL containing zoho.com. Clicking this will direct you to Zoho's main homepage. Once you're on the Zoho site, you'll need to log in if you already have an existing account. If you're new to Zoho, simply sign up for an account using the Sign Up button. It's a pretty straightforward process. After you've successfully logged in, you need to navigate over to Zoho Books by selecting it from the options available on Zoho's dashboard. Once you're in Zoho Books, your main view will usually show you the dashboard where you can see an overview of your business's financial activities. Next, let's dive into entering those opening balances. Head on over to the Settings section, which you can find by clicking on the gear icon. This icon is typically located on the upper right corner of your screen. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Organization. Under this section, you'll find an option for Opening Balances. Click on that. Now that you're on the Opening Balances page, you'll start by entering the opening balance date. This date should match the date of the closing balance from your previous accounting system. It's essential that this date accurately reflects the cutoff to ensure all your balances migrate correctly. Moving right along, you'll need to input the debit and credit balances for all of your accounts. This includes assets, like cash or accounts receivable, liabilities, we're talking accounts payable or loans, and equity accounts. Add these balances carefully, ensuring they reflect what was in your previous books. It's important to double-check these figures. Accuracy here is vital to maintaining the integrity of your financial data. Finally, once you've entered all the relevant balances, you can click on either the Continue button or the Import option, depending on your preference. Doing this will enable you to review a summary of the balances you've just entered. Take a moment to confirm that everything looks correct before finalizing the entry. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully entered your opening balances in Zoho Books. I hope this guide was helpful and makes the transition to using Zoho Books a seamless experience for you. Remember, maintaining accurate financial records is crucial for any business, so always ensure your entries are correct. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.